Have you noticed your muscles fading as you age? It's a common concern. But there's a simple solution that many seniors overlook. Let's uncover what you should eat before bed to maintain muscle mass. As we age, muscle loss can accelerate. It's natural, but it doesn't have to be. One key to preserving your muscle health is nutrition. What you eat, especially before bed, can make a big difference. Tonight, let's explore the best foods for seniors to eat before sleep. First, let's talk about protein. Protein is essential for muscle maintenance. It contains amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle. Eating protein before bed can stimulate muscle protein synthesis while you sleep. This process is crucial for recovery and growth. Now, which foods are high in protein and perfect for a bedtime snack? Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and nuts are great options. They not only provide protein but also other nutrients that aid in muscle repair. Next, let's discuss healthy fats. Healthy fats play a role in hormone production. Hormones, such as testosterone and growth hormone, help maintain muscle mass. Foods rich in healthy fats include avocados, fatty fish, and olive oil. Incorporating these foods into your evening meals can be beneficial. Don't forget about carbohydrates. They're energy providers and help with sleep. Complex carbohydrates, like whole grains and oats, can be great choices. They support insulin production, which aids in utilizing protein effectively for muscle repair. Now that we know which nutrients are vital, let's put it all together. Here's a simple evening meal plan. Start with a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with nuts and a drizzle of honey. For a savory option, consider cottage cheese with sliced avocado. Always choose whole grain toast with a slice of salmon, too. These options are delicious and packed with nutrients. Consider a common scenario. Imagine a senior couple enjoying their evening snack. They opt for Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and a handful of almonds. They enjoy their snack while catching up on their favorite show. This simple choice boosts their protein intake and promotes muscle health. Making this a routine can be easy. After dinner, encourage adding a healthy snack. Gradually, eating for muscle health becomes part of their nightly ritual. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Water helps with digestion and nutrient absorption. Consider a herbal tea before bed, which can soothe and aid digestion. Let's summarize why eating the right foods before bed matters. Muscle loss is common in seniors, but it can be managed. Protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates are vital for muscle health. Adding them to your evening routine can positively impact your health. Remember, the food you eat is the fuel for your muscles. Prioritize nutrient-rich snacks that support your body's needs. It's never too late to start taking care of yourself. So, what can you do next? Begin by incorporating these tips into your daily routine. Start planning your evening snacks around these nutrients. You'll not only enjoy your meals more but also feel stronger and healthier. Make a commitment to yourself. Embrace these changes. Take control of your muscle health today. Your future self will thank you for it.